Urbanization has transformed cities like Delhi, Bengaluru into hubs of opportunities, but also hotspots for traffic nightmares. Fixed timer traffic light forces us to waste time, fuel and patience. And let's not even talk about choking air pollution or delayed ambulances. Imagine you are at a traffic light waiting complete 90 seconds for the red light to turn green, but with no one around, all the 3 lanes are completely empty. Isn't it frustrating and unnecessary, right?
Imagining a world where traffic flows like water flowing in a river, no unnecessary waiting, no wasted fuel, no chaos. Sounds impossible, doesn't it? But it's not. That's where traffic regulator and flow facilitator steps in.
Good. Greetings everyone. Today we are here to introduce TRAF. TRAF is an innovative smart traffic solution that uses cutting-edge sensors and AI to dynamically switch between the traffic lights as per the real-time traffic condition. So this is our prototype. We have used Arduino, basic coding, LEDs and ultrasonic sensor. So here Arduino receives input from the ultrasonic sensor that detects the vehicle at the intersection, and then based on our coding it gives the output and changes the LEDs that represent traffic lights dynamically. So this is our prototype, but in real life implementation we would use sensors like radar sensor, lidar sensor, thermal cameras, IoT gateways and inductive loop sensor.
Sensors and cameras installed at intersection constantly monitors vehicle density. Now when we look at our prototype, here you can see that for now in this lane the density of car is more, so it's green. When the density increases in the other lane and reduces in the first lane, the TRAF instantly changes its timings and green lights for this lane. Also we have provision for emergency vehicles. Now when an emergency vehicle enters a lane, TRAF automatically turns it green, ignoring the fact that the lane other than that is more congested. We have also developed our companion app FlowFi. FlowFi is designed to enhance commuters' experience. FlowFi delivers real-time traffic update, congestion level and optimized route suggestions straight to your device. FlowFi also offers premium model featuring an ad-free interface and a personalized route recommendation. Now let's have a look on the simulation video.
So as you all have seen in the simulation video how TRAF works, how it dynamically switches between the traffic lights.
Yes, TRAF requires some initial investments, but its long-term benefits are undeniable. Reduced carbon footprints and of course better response timings to emergency vehicle. TRAF is more than just an innovation. It's a step towards smarter, cleaner and safer cities. Together we all can reimagine urban commuting and create a future where cities flow as seamlessly as we dream. Thank you.